Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we're driving the 2021 BMW M Competition. 617 horsepower, twin turbo V8, 0 to 60 in about 2.8 seconds. You have to hear how this car sounds. I'm going to start it up right now. Wow, oh my God, it sounds amazing. Oh my God. I love that V8 rumble. Remember, if you like what you see on the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, hit the notification bell. I post at least 3 videos a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern. And a lot of times I give you a 4th video, so you have to hit that notification bell. Like and share this video so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below. Okay, so before we take it for a spin, let's go over the window sticker. I've already reviewed on the channel M Competition Coupe 2-door, M8 regular M8 convertible, and an M850 Gran Coupe. So this is the M8 Competition Gran Coupe. So you get the 4 doors. New for 2021. They are not like the new M3 that's coming up in 2021. It's not going to be an M3 and an M3 competition. It's going to be an M8, and then you can get the regular one, which is 600 horsepower. No such thing as being regular. Or you can opt for the competition package and get 617 horsepower and a couple other things which we're going to go through in this video. I'm not going to go through all the tech in this video because I already did that in the M850 videos and the M8 and M8 competition videos, so I try not to repeat myself. It's 30 degrees outside, but inside this car, it's been sitting in the sun, is about 80 degrees, so forgive me, I have the air conditioning going. So let's go, before we take it for a drive, let's go over the window sticker. So 2021 BMW M8 Gran Coupe, 130,000. Now, you can opt for the competition package, which is $13,000. Gives you the more horsepower, the stiffer suspension, a lot of nice goodies that we went over in the other videos. This one happens to have chalk. Yes, this is the Porsche color chalk, and it's a BMW individual color that costs $5,000. This car, they had a special going on where the dealer could basically build this car, and they don't get charged the extra $5,000 for the color. So if you buy this car, the chalk color is free. So buy this car, because this is the car M8 that I would want. All right, so this has the driver assistance package for $1,100, which is worth every penny. That gives you parking assistance plus, the drive recorder, active blind spot detection, lane departure warning, active park distance control, and the surround view 3D camera. And that's what I have on my M340. It doesn't have all those things, but it has the 3D camera, which is worth every penny, especially for $1,100. Don't buy an M8 without one, or any 8 Series for that matter. $1,700, you get the driver's assistance pro package, gives you the extended traffic jam assistant. I have that as well, an active driving assistant pro, have that on my M340iX drive. Great option. This also has the comfort seating package for $850. You get rear sunshades and front and rear heated seats. That's a must, you got to get that. And this is what the competition package comes from. Comes with the sport exhaust, which you heard at the beginning of the video. The 20-inch M-Star spoke bi-color wheels. Kind of looks like an F80, M3, M4 competition wheel to me. You get the M seat belts, the extended Shadowline trim, and obviously the competition package. So well worth it for that $13,000. Now you don't have to get it. Your base price would be off $130 if you don't want those things and are fine with 600 horsepower. And then everything else is included. The only other option here is for $3,400, the Bowers & Wilkins, which I was just playing before this video, and I can't play for you because then I couldn't monetize my video. Well worth it. For $5,400, you could get this all M carbon exterior package. You saw that rear diffuser, right? And a couple other bits on the car. Well worth it for me if you're in this price range. And then some floor mats, $245, $995 destination charge, bringing it a grand total of $157,690. If you want this car, BMW Tenafly in Tenafly, New Jersey will give you a great price on that. All right, I'm done talking. We got to drive this thing. So I'm going to strap on the GoPro and we're going to drive. All right, we are in the M8 with the competition package. You see my hopefully heads-up display in front of me with the tachometer. Let's give it a little acceleration here. I'm shifting manually. I am in sport mode. There's regular mode, if there is such a thing as regular, sport mode, and then track mode. And you could go in drive or sport with the transmission, which allows me to shift. Go around that water puddle there. And it's pretty responsive. It's an 8-speed torque converter automatic. We've driven quite a few M8s on the channel, and I really like them. If I had the money, I would certainly buy one. Yeah, it's going to cost you money to get one of these cars, but if you can afford it, it is certainly worth it. Now let's see if it puts us down into first. Yes, if I do a complete stop, it does put me down into first gear, and we're going to drive into the sun, which is probably a mistake. All right, let's accelerate. Wow. So definitely worth it with that M Sport exhaust that you get with the competition package. The ride is very smooth. Steering feel is good, even though it's electric. You feel the weight of the car, certainly. The M5 is more nimble, M3s are more nimble, but this is a phenomenal, phenomenal car. Let's not get confused with how good this car actually is. I got a ton of power. Oh God, I can't win today. I got a ton of power under my right foot. All right, so let's see if we can do a little bit of an acceleration. Wow, this car is so powerful and fast. Now, we've driven the M8s, the M8's competition, the M850, especially the M8s are phenomenally fast. So 617 horsepower, twin turbo, V8. Even the regular car, I mean, you don't need the competition for 13,000 if you don't want it. I would get it, but believe me, you don't need it. 600 horsepower is more than enough, but I would get it for not necessarily the 17 horsepower, for everything else you get, the wheels, the sport exhaust. I love the carbon fiber on this car. To me, it was definitely worth the money. It's got a great ride, this car. The back seat is big enough, unless you're really, really tall because of the headroom, but legroom is definitely fine. If you do a lot of highway driving, this is this could be the car for you. Starting at $130,000, like I mentioned, this one nicely equipped and available now at $157,000. You're getting this beautiful chalk paint for free. What other car can you name besides, say, an M5 that gives you 617 horsepower plus a heads-up display, right? Plus a V8 rumble, plus turbos. Can't go wrong with the M8 competition. And I really love this styling on this Gran Coupe. I think I actually prefer that to the two-door. I love the steering wheel of the M cars, nice and thick. It feels larger to me than my M340 iX drive. I could be wrong. Really good grips to keep your car at 9 and 3 or 10 and 2 if you prefer. I like the 9 and 3. Now it's warning me the outside temperature, like every BMW does, is under 37 degrees. Now we're going 6-speed here, 7, 8. So we actually have the 8-speed. Same as what I have in my car, same as what's in the M5. All right, so let's try a little highway driving here. Very smooth on the highway. This is a great highway car. It's very, very comfortable. Sounds amazing. You got all this power under your right foot when you need it. Just a thrilling, thrilling car. All right, so I'm heading back to the dealership. Thanks so much for watching this review. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.